Hi everyone! Welcome po sa video natin ngayon. Ako po ulit si Forex Coach Jonathan Lu at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay very exciting, no? Kasi this is basically life after having consistency in trading, no? Kasi madalas sa atin, no, coming into the market, our ultimate goal is to become consistent in trading, no? Consistent kang kumikita and you're able to pay for your bills, you're able to pay for every upkeep na kailangan mo, no, you have a nice place, you can support your family, etc., etc. That's the dream, no, whenever we're trading. But to be honest, that is only the start. Simula pa lang 'yun, no? Simula pa lang 'yun. In all honesty, simula pa lang 'yun, no? And there are a lot of options that you can choose from once you gain this consistency in the market. So, paano natin, ano yung mga pwede natin pagpilian na? So, pag-usapan natin ng konti yan. So, number one is, you can be your own trader, no? So, talagang bedroom trader lang, independent trader ka lang, you want that kind of life, no problem, no? So, yun na yung na-attempt natin na nababayaran mo lahat ng kailangan mo bayaran, na suporta mo yung family mo, you have the freedom to go, places habang hindi ka restricted sa trabaho mo. Yes, that comes with becoming a full-time trader. No, that's number one. Okay, if you want that, okay yun. No, I know a lot of people, I have a lot of friends who are full-time traders and yun yung ginagawa nila. No? They don't want the stress of anything else, just their own account and they're happy with it. No? That's good. Now, if you want something a little bit, different, no? What you can do is you can actually leverage your skills. Okay? Kasi marami sa atin dito na naging consistent na mag-trade, no? You're able to make trades 2%, 3% ang kinikita mo per month, no? On a good month, you get 5%. Sometimes you get negative sa isang buwan, pero okay lang kasi at the end of it all, profitable pa rin, umaakyat pa rin yung account, no? So you have your skills, but the problem is wala tayong kapital, di ba? Kasi siyempre, hindi naman ganun kadali yung kapital, no? Okay, sige, kumikita ako 2%, 3%, pero yung account ko $1,000, eh, delete lang nun. Diba? Hindi mo masusuportahan yung sarili mo, no? You need like what? $50,000, $100,000 to be able to trade that properly. How can I access that? Okay? So, pwede po kayong, there are different ways, no, to access that kind of fund. Okay? So, number one, the simplest way, no, is to build your own portfolio. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang account, maybe $1,000, $500, then laki mo naman sana para kumbaga, competent naman talaga yung amount. And then, you use that account as your growth account. No? So, ibig sabihin, pang portfolio mo siya. Hindi ka nagwi-withdraw doon. Pinapalaki mo lang siya. You're just basically showing that you can do the job well. Okay? So, that becomes your portfolio account. Okay? Hindi ka nagwi-withdraw. Pinapataas mo lang siya. The drawdown is low. Sabihin natin, yung drawdown mo, 5% or even less lang. Tapos, meron kang consistency sa market na you're making 2, 3%, 5% a month. Napakagandang portfolio nun. Okay? Tapos, ang baba lang ng risk mo. Napakagandang nun. Ipakita yon sa mga ibang investors. So, you can be an independent fund manager. And there are a lot of ways to do that. No? Meron ka nung, meron ka nung PAM, you have your mom accounts, you have your multi-trader sa MetaTrader, you have, different copy trading services. So, maraming mga paraan para gawin niya officially. Please, never, no, I highly suggest na never na tumanggap kayo ng pera tapos mag-open kayo ng account under your name, doon nyo ilalagay yung pera. Please don't do that because sasabit tayo sa batas nun. That's not good. We shouldn't do that. There are proper ways to do that. No? Yung mga investors, nasa pangalan nila yung account. Okay? Tapos sila lang yung may power to withdraw or deposit, no? To make things simpler and cleaner. Okay? So please do not accept money. Okay? Yung accounts lang. Okay. So you can do that. No? You can be an independent fund manager. Number two, you can also do prop trading. Ano yung prop trading? Maraming mga prop trading firms dyan sa labas na naghahanap ng mga magagaling na traders, na skilled traders. So, yung normal dyan is that they give you an exam, they give you maybe a demo account or a small live account for you to trade with. And then from there, titignan nila kung maayos yung progress mo. May mga certain rules sila. Kailangan hindi ka lalagpas ng ganitong drawdown. Kailangan hindi ka nagli-leave ng trades over the weekend or something, no? Kailangan may abuting kang number of trades. Okay? Tapos, kailangan may abuting kang 5%, 10% return on the first month, second month, blah, blah, blah. So, may mga rules sila. And if you are able to pass that exam, they will give you a live account na sizable. Depende sa may mga packages yan eh. Yung mga iba pang 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, may mga malalaki, 100,000. So, depende yan. So, yung entrance exam, may bayad yun ha. Siyempre, pag mas maliit yung bayad mo, mas maliit yung capital na ibibigay. Kapag mas malaki yung bayad mo, mas malaki yung ibibigay na capital sa inyo. Okay? So, yung returns noon, malaki yung binabalik nila. Probably around 70% of the profit goes to you. 70-80% nandiyan yun. So it's a very viable thing to do, no? Kapag may skill ka na on trading pero wala kang kapital. So prop trading firm is an excellent choice, no? For example, dito sa Philippines, we have FTMO. It's a partner of PAFTI, no? Pwede yan, no? If you want to know more about that, we can give you a couple of links with that, okay? Now, you can also do institutional trading pero syempre mag-a-apply ka na sa mga ano yan, sa mga trading firms, sa mga bangko, which, also requires you to have degrees and certifications and other stuff. Okay, so yan medyo mas long shot yung mga yan. Okay? And aside from managing funds, no, pwede ka rin mag-provide naman ng support for traders, no? So what kind of support can you do, no? Kagaya, a very good example is what we do with PAFTI, no? We're providing a community, no? Para sa mga traders. Nagtuturo kami, no? So that kind of support. We give our analysis, no? Trade ideas. So pwede nyo rin gawin yun, no? As long as you're able to do it well, no? Hindi tayo pwedeng, hindi tayo pwedeng fake, no? So you have to walk the talk, no? Kailangan you're able to trade those stuff that you give out, no? Yung mga signals, pwede yan. You can provide support, and that's fine, no? And people can actually pay you for those services. Or for example, meron kang mga analysis, pwede mo gawin yun, no? Ipasa mo sa mga entities na may kailangan, entities pay for that or people pay for those kinds of services, no? Kanwari, basa ko sa EURUSD, aakyat yan. Ito yung mga technical setups ko. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit. Yung mga ganun, no? What will happen to the euro? What will happen to the market? Yung mga ganun klaseng analysis. Okay? So, those are, some sort of services as well. Now, lastly, pwede ka rin maging partner, no, ng broker or partner, for example, ng PAFTI. And if you have skills on marketing, you can also leverage on that. For example, dito sa PAFTI, no, hindi kami, we're competent, no, with our trading skill, but when it comes to marketing, no, kaming mga admin, I'm just saying para sa mga admin, we're not that good when it comes to marketing kasi we're traders, we're still learning that part. So, we have a couple of partners to help the group, no? So, pag may mga, ang tawag doon, mga IBs, no? So, whenever you have IBs with you, they help you promote the services, they help you promote the broker, and in return, meron din kayong kikitaing mga commission doon, no? That comes from the broker, hindi yun binabawas doon sa trader, no? So, kumbaga, walang nangyari sa trader, it's just additional stuff coming from the broker, okay? So, yun, pwede rin. If you guys are interested in that, you can always contact PAFTI. If you think you can help PAFTI with that, no? Kaya natin palakihin yung grupo natin, make it better, no? Let more people know about what we're doing here. We're glad to have you on board, no, when it comes to that. Okay? So yun po, no? That's what I meant about life after having consistency in trading. Okay? So it doesn't stop there, no? You can end there, it's fine, no? You can be a full-time trader and that's it, no? You can relax, enjoy life, walang problema. Ayaw mo na additional stress, but okay lang, no? But if you want more stuff, there is more. It's only the start. Pwede kang mag-manage ng funds. You can provide support. You can help, promote the services. Ang dami niyong pwedeng gawin. Alright? So, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it, no, for our video today. Sana po mas na-enlighten kayo na hindi very dynamic pala yung buhay natin as traders. And yeah, if you need any help on that, just message us. We're very glad to help you there. Alright, so anyway, thank you everyone. Sana makapag-subscribe po kayo sa ating channel at makalike po kayo dito sa ating video so that we can make more of this. And I'll see you guys in our live sessions. Bye-bye guys. Thank you and see you on our next video.